Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitter tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlike all of your likes on Twitter without having to use a third-party service or an app. And this method will also be free. The only requirement of this is that you do this in a desktop browser, such as Chrome, so you can do it on a MacBook, desktop computer, or Chromebook. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply go to twitter.com, log into our account, and then go to our profile page. So select profile on the left sidebar. Once you get to your profile page, in the top tabs, select likes to see all of your likes. So you should be on the page where you can see your likes. After we've gone to our likes on our Twitter account, what we need to do is go to the link in the description, which is just a GitHub page where someone has posted a quick line of text that we will add into our browser to remove the likes on our account. So simply go to that page and then just copy the text right there. Once you've copied the text, go back to Twitter, and then we're going to open up the developer options in Chrome by just going up in the top right of Chrome and selecting the three vertical dots. Then go down to More Tools, select More Tools, and then go to Developer Tools right here. Once Developer Tools opens, in the top menu, select Console, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of Console and paste the text that we just copied. Now just hit the Enter button on your keyboard. It'll go through and it'll unlike all of the tweets that you've liked on your Twitter account. So just let it do its thing. It might take a minute or two to run. Once it's done, go ahead and refresh Twitter. If after you refresh, you notice that there are still likes on your account, simply just do the same thing in the console window. Just repeat the same steps. Then refresh again, and they should be gone. So as you can see now, I have 0 likes. All right, so that's how you unlike all of the tweets on your Twitter account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitter tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.